Welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to change the capitalization of all letters in a string. This means that uppercase letters will be converted to lowercase, and lowercase letters will be converted to uppercase. For instance, using the string Germany will be transformed into Germany, while W3 resource becomes W3 resource. This exercise is a practical way to understand string manipulation and the use of regular expressions in JavaScript. Let's dive in. The task is straightforward. We want to convert uppercase letters to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase in a given string. For example, we input Germany will become Germany, and W3 resource will turn into W3 resource. Note that numbers and special characters will remain unchanged. This is an excellent use case for string iteration and regular expressions in JavaScript. This is the ES5 implementation of the program. First, the function change case takes a string as input and initializes an empty string called str1 to store the result. Second, it loops through each character in the input string. Third, for each character, it checks if it's uppercase using the regular expression slash bracket A to Z close bracket slash. If true, it converts the character to lowercase and appends it to str1. Otherwise, it converts the character to uppercase and appends it. Finally, the function returns the transform string. This method ensures that every character is processed and the case is swapped where applicable. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how the program works. We begin by creating an empty string to store the result. Next, we loop through the input string, processing one character at a time. For each character, we check if it's uppercase. If it is, we convert it to lowercase. Similarly, if the character is lowercase, we convert it to uppercase. The modified character is then appended to the result string. Finally, the program returns the transform string after processing all characters. Let's look at two examples. For the input W3 resource, the program processes each character. Letters are converted to the opposite case, while the numbers remain unchanged. The final output is W3 resource. In the case of Germany, uppercase letters like G are converted to lowercase, and lowercase letters like E are converted to uppercase, resulting in Germany. This demonstrates how the program handles mixed cases strings effectively. The ES6 version of the program simplifies the logic using a ternary operator. Instead of using an if-else block, we directly append the converted characters to the result string based on the condition. This makes the code more concise and modern while retaining the same functionality as the ES5 version. In summary, this program showcases how to manipulate strings by changing the case of characters. It highlights the use of regular expressions and conditional logic in JavaScript. Both ES5 and ES6 implementations are effective, with the ES6 version being more concise. This task is a great example of solving practical problems with string manipulation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.